Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Clash Royale is buzzing with anticipation for a brand new game mode, Apex Arena, officially launching in early 2025. This isn't just another challenge. It's designed to completely redefine your strategy and bring fresh excitement to the arena. Get ready to experience dynamic battles and truly unique objectives, unlike anything you've seen before. We'll dive into what makes Apex Arena so special and how you can prepare to dominate its ever-changing battlefields from day one. Apex Arena introduces a groundbreaking mechanic, evolving battlefields. Throughout the match, the arena itself will transform, adding or removing obstacles, and even altering tower health or elixir generation at key moments. This means adapting on the fly is absolutely crucial. Static strategies simply won't cut it here. Every game will feel fresh and unpredictable, pushing your strategic thinking to its very limits, demanding constant attention to the shifting environment. To truly master Apex Arena, focus on adaptability and quick decision-making. Since the battlefield changes, having a balanced deck with both offensive and defensive options is essential. Don't commit all your elixir to one push. Always keep some available for unexpected defensive situations or to exploit sudden openings. Paying close attention to the timer for upcoming arena changes will give you a significant advantage, allowing you to prepare your next move with foresight. Certain card types will naturally excel in Apex Arena's dynamic environment. Cards with versatile abilities, like those that can target both ground and air, or units that deal area damage, will be incredibly valuable for controlling evolving lanes. Quick cycle cards will also prove useful, allowing you to adapt your hand to the changing landscape rapidly. Consider incorporating cards that provide strong defensive counter-pushes, as controlling the flow of battle will be paramount to victory. Participating in Apex Arena will offer exciting new rewards, including exclusive badges, emotes, and even unique tower skins that reflect its dynamic theme. Climbing the ranks in this new mode will also provide bonus gold and experience, helping you advance your overall game progression. So, mark your calendars for early 2025, prepare your best decks, and get ready to experience Clash Royale in a whole new, thrilling way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.